Welcome to the Mentions tab. This is where you can find local Reddit posts that are mentioning your business or asking for the service that you offer in your area. So, this is where you could find high intent leads that nobody is interacting with. So, just to give you an example, you can see that we got this mention here in a plumbing repair thread, and this is the username, and the business this is for is Emergency Plumbing. So this is a plumbing based out of California, San Marcos, and this lead, BT Wife 4K, said this thing: he needs plumber recommendations urgent for burst pipe flooding. My place last night had a pipe burst under my kitchen sink, blah blah blah, and he's based in San Marcos, California, which is the exact location that this plumber is based in. And you can see that there's only one reply, so nobody is interacting with this lead. So this could be a potential future customer of yours. So what we want you to do is we want you to head on over to this Reddit thread and try and curate this lead. So we have a couple of reply draft options for you here, whether it's something with an authority based, whether it's something that's more guidance first, or that's question led. All you would do is you would hit copy. For example, my favorite one is the soft authority one, and I would hit reply now, and it would open that Reddit thread, specifically this conversation, and then I can reply to this lead and potentially turn him into a customer. So yeah, this is the mentions thread. Right now, it currently only scrapes the Reddit platform for leads, but is going to be expanding very shortly across tons of social media channels.